This is Janice. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi! Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Boxycharm October 2020 subscription box. So if you're interested and want to see what I received in this month's box, just keep watching. My Boxycharm shirt on today. Yeah, it's really comfortable. If I'd known this was this comfortable, I would order an extra. It's so soft. Oh well, at least I have this one. Alright, let's get on with the unboxing. Oh, before I get going, I just want to remind everyone who isn't already subscribed, please subscribe. That would be so nice of you. And also hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload my next video. Also, like this video if you liked it. I hope you did. I hope you like me. And comment. What do you think of what I'm going to show you? You will know in a minute. So you have to watch the end so you see everything now, okay? So you make sure you watch the end. Yeah, this is my Boxycharm Base Box. I only get 2 subscriptions now. I get my Ipsy Glam bag and I get my Boxycharm Base Box. And that is the inside. A little peek there, what I received. This particular box is $25 a month. They do give you a card explaining what you received. They also have a theme. This month's theme is candy shop. This is one little bit of information that you don't know about me. I am a candy-aholic. I love candy. I love candy as much as I love makeup. Grandkids come over, family comes over, and then I got a big drawer full of candy, all kinds of candy. I don't eat it all, trust me, I don't. But I got it there in case I want it. Usually I end up throwing it away because it gets old. But I do eat, yeah, a little bit here and there. But I think it's pretty to look at. I just think, especially this type of candy. Look at that card. Isn't it gorgeous? I am not a chocolate lover. I don't care for chocolate very much. It's very rare that I'll eat a piece of chocolate. But I do love the gummies, the hard candies, caramels, I said gummies. Oh, Sour Patch Kids, I love them. Alright, well let's get on with makeup. This is about makeup, not about candy. And on the back here it does tell me what I received and it gives me the suggested retail price of each item. First thing I'm pulling out is something in a bag. Oh, cute. By Luxie. Luxie has makeup brushes. I'm sure that's what this is. I really enjoy getting makeup brushes. I could never have too many. I have a lot. Believe me, I have jars full and drawers full. I have my favorites, so I usually keep them out all the time and use them, rewash them. But these are in my favorites, so these are in my rotation. So this Luxie Wanderlust set. And it says it's an eye brush set. Oh. Okay, just get it out here. Oh, pretty, pretty. There they are. There's 5 brushes. It's like we have a packer. Nice and dense and soft. Very even. This is an angle shader and a larger blender. See? And then a smaller blender. And I use all of these. I don't use the angled one that much, but I do use it. And a spoolie, which are nice to have. I have lots, but I use them. I use this for my eyebrows. Guess you can use them on your eyelashes too, but I don't use it for that. But I don't know. I use it for my eyebrows. Create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, it just said that, a blending brush, a medium angled brush, a larger shader blush, and plus a brow and lash brush. And it retails for $40, that 5-piece set. Alright, and I'm pulling out something from Ace Beauty. Our Ace Beauty has a little hyphen above E, so it's Beauty, not Beauty, Beauty. Yeah, it's the French pronunciation. It'd be fancy, it has to be fancy sounding, yeah. Really pretty. I do like this brand a lot. Oh, they're pink, they're cute. These outer package here. And the tips are the color of the pencils. And here's that color, which is kind of a berry color. Now I have had this brand before in pencils. I do know I like them. It's Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner Duo. The Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base. Okay, I got cut off. My memory card was full. And I've lost all but this memory card. I have had 1, 2, 3, 4 that I've misplaced or lost. Oh my goodness. I'm terrible. But anyway, so I had to delete some videos I didn't want to delete because I hadn't uploaded them yet. But I had to get this finished. Oh well. What I was in the middle of talking about was these Ace Beauty lip pencils. And I just realized when I was reading it, they have a sharpener at the end. And I didn't realize that. Look at that. So they get a little dull, you can just sharpen them up. That is nifty. They have one in each one. You know, the little details. Gotta show you in case you get them, you don't know it, because I didn't know it. Let's see what these retail for. They retail for $16. Next, I'm pulling out a Snipe Cream. It's a tightening and replenisher eye mask. I have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of eye creams. I keep giving them away to my sister, and I think she's pretty loaded up. But I'm going to keep this one and use it. I need a little tube here. Because it says it's a tightener. I have never used eye cream that says it's a tightener. And I want to see if it tightens these eyes. We'll see. I doubt it, but we'll see. Tightening and replenishment eye mask. A revolutionary innovation in the beauty market. In the form of an eye mask and cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid and pollulan. P-U-L-L-U-L-A-N? Pollulan? I've never heard of that. I have no idea. Anyway, as well as shea butter. And it works to visibly reduce puffiness and appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Most eye creams do that. And the retail price of this eye cream, whoa. $93. And this is a full price. And this is a full size. $93? Alright, no comment. Next, we get to choose one item a month in our Boxycharm Base Box. And I chose this. It's by Dose of Colors. And I know what it is because I chose it. It is an concealer. I do like getting in concealers. And I like trying different brands. Ooh, this is really light. But it's okay. I'll make it work. I have 3 or 4 different shades I work with. So this is really light. So this is, ooh, okay. Well, it's got a nice big doe foot. Nice size. And yeah, it's light. It's creamy, of course. It's creamy. Ooh. Yeah. Looks like it's nice thick consistency. So get in there. It's got a little suction there. All right. Wow. Just rub that in. Oh. There you go. Looks like it's gonna be nice. For sure we'll give that a try. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. And the retail price of this is $24. Last but not least, we get another palette. And I believe this is the eyeshadow palette. Yep, it sure is. It's called Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. It's really cute. I love the packaging. Breakfast in bed. That's nice. I don't eat breakfast, but if I did, it'd be nice to eat it in bed. Ooh, that's pretty. There's the inside. Oh, there goes the plastic. There's the inside. There's no mirror on this. It's all cardboard. And nice sized pans. And, wow. Well, it looks like it's a neutral palette, but it does look like it's cool tone, which I do like cool tones. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers. I think one, oh wait a minute. No. 6 shimmers and 3 mattes. Just read about it. Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. I just said that. Is a delightful morning melody of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transformation touch-up. $38 is the retail price. You know, like, first seeing this, I thought, looks boring. But now they got it underneath these studio lights, I'm intrigued. So that is the colors. Do you want me to swatch them? Yeah, I think I will, because I don't have anything from this brand. So we're going to swatch it. Sometimes I get these palettes, I think, I don't need another palette, although I want them. So I thought, well, I won't swatch it, I won't use it. I do. And then there goes the likelihood of me giving it away, unless it's for family, to a family member that I can give it to, but oh well. Hey, it's, you know, this is why I subscribe to this, is to show you what you get, and also for me to try different products and brands. And while I'm talking about that, just before I forget, because if I don't tell you now what I'm thinking about, I'll forget. I got variation 28. And how you tell is by the little heart down here, the number 28. They're all shimmers. Let me do that. Now go ahead and... Okay, that's just one swipe. So, let's do one more. Just kind of give it a chance to build up. I do like buildable shadows. It's rather patchy, but it may go on my eyes much different. These are just swatches. Well, yeah, well, we'll give it a try. And that is it. That is what I got in my Boxycharm Base Box for the month of October 2020. I'm going to add up what the retail this manufacturer's suggested retail price is, I paid $25 for this. There's 5 full-size products. The breakfast and bed. Okay, retails for $38. The Dose of Colors concealer retails for $24. The eye brushes, the Luxie eye brushes, which is a really wonderful brand and quality, is $40. Ace Beauté lip liners is $16. Okay, for those 4 products so far, we're at $118. Now, this is really going to bring the value up. The eye cream, $93. I would never pay that much because, well, it'll never be in my budget. But I'm glad to have it. $211. Yeah, that's a pretty good value. Really good value. And again, this variation 28. And I think that's all I have to say about that. It's a very nice box. I'm really happy with this month's box. It's a win-win. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.